Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. So, happy Monday. I think there's three things the market's going to focus on. First of all, there's a Hurricane Florence off the East Coast. It's going to ram into probably North Carolina on Thursday. USDA said that in that area, North Carolina and South Carolina produces about 190 million bushels of corn and 100 million bushels of soybeans. So somebody said if we lose 30%, that's 50 million bushels of corn and 30 million bushels of soybeans. So again, in that area, it could be devastating, but it may not affect the bottom line. So we'll just have to kind of watch that pretty closely. This week, the U.S. Midwest should be warm and dry, and so that should dry things out, especially areas that got soaked by the remnants of Tropical Storm Gordon, and so that should help crops there. As far as the second thing, we'll be watching pretty closely what the USDA says on Wednesday as far as production here in the United States. Most people think the corn crop will stay about unchanged while the beans could get bigger. We'll see what they do with world supply and demand. They could raise U.S. and world soybean carryouts, and they could lower the corn carryouts a smidgen. So we'll have to see if that impacts anything. From a wheat standpoint, the market still thinks they're going to be conservative and that not lower supply and not lower trade as much as the market thinks, and so that may not affect prices too much. And then the funds yesterday on Friday were buyers of beans, meal, and corn. They sold oil and wheat, continued to be short 60,000 beans, 90,000 oil, long about 30,000 meal, short 50,000 corn, and long about 34,000 wheat. So again, we'll have to be watching the trade issues as far as any escalation in tariffs between U.S. and China and the impact that might have in the markets. And outside markets, right now you got crude higher and stocks are also higher. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.